First guys, open any browsers to Google search box to type like that the model number of your laptop, and just first link which is officially ASUS website, and this is your laptop. After that click on support, then click on driver and tool. By default select Windows 11. Scroll down, this is a chipset driver. Okay, and click to download. So it will start downloading, you can see, and just click to open. After that click on yes. Okay, next, I agree, next, install, next, install. Then you can yes and restart now, because restart is required for this your system when you installing any driver.